Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Access Granted, your go-to channel for all things hacking and cybersecurity. In our last video, we covered basic level 1 and learned how to manipulate simple HTML forms. Today, we're moving on to basic mission 2. Let's see what's in store for us. Here's the scenario. Sam, our friendly site administrator, has set up a password protection script. This script is supposed to check the password you enter against a stored password in an unencrypted text file. But there's a problem. Sam forgot to upload the password file. So, what does this mean for us? Normally, the script compares whatever password you enter with the stored password. However, without the file, there's nothing to compare it against, just null, or essentially nothing. Let's see what happens when we enter a random password, like 123, and click Submit. When we do this, the script tries to match 123 with null. Of course, they don't match, so we get an error. Now, what if we try something different and leave the password field completely blank? If we leave it blank and hit Submit, we're granted access. This is because an empty input is considered null, and without a password file, the comparison is null to null. Since they are the same, we're in. And that's it. We've cracked basic mission 2 by understanding how the script deals with missing data. Sometimes, hacking is all about seeing what isn't there rather than what is. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to Access Granted for more walkthroughs and tips. Next up, we'll be tackling mission 3, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay curious, stay safe, and keep learning. See you next time.